Welcome to the 13th Annual Dancing Under the Stars Gala. I am Kathy Hawken, Chair of the Board of St. Joseph's Hospice. It is my pleasure to thank all of you here in attendance tonight for your continued support. We would like to give special thanks to our Supernova sponsor, Kelgore Limited, and to our Shooting Star sponsors, Imperial Oil, Nova Chemicals, and Suncor. Many thanks to all the other sponsors who have supported this event and are listed in the program. We would also especially like to thank our gala host, John DeGroot, who has provided this venue for 13 years to the community of Sarnia Lambton to come together in celebration and in support of such a great cause. I know many of you here tonight have attended this event each and every year since its inauguration. Thank you for your continued support, and to our new guests, thank you for attending. Tonight we have over 800 guests, and we also thank the over 130 volunteers who have so generously given of their time to make this gala event possible. I hope that you all really enjoy your evening.
Good evening. My name's Sandy Kennart, and I'm here with my two sister-in-laws, Suzanne Kennart and Carol McLaughlin. And we're here to say thank you. Thank you to the donors that have given so kindly to our hospice here in the community. And we're here because Suzanne's husband, Harold, my brother-in-law, and Carol's brother, passed away here at hospice in July. And we would like to say thank you for your donations, because from the time we came through the front door with the receptionist who greeted us warmly, to the kitchen staff who provided the food, the nursing staff, very professional, and the volunteers. We could have not had a better journey for Harold to his end of life, and for that we say thank you. Through your kind donations, many of the programming here are provided, such as the Caring Hearts Children program that our grandchildren are currently taking part in, the grief and bereavement programs, the day hospice, and the caregiver program. Without your kind donations, none of this would be possible. And by the way, some of you may have met Harold before if you've been here in the past. Harold was the photographer who took your pictures. And so tonight, in his honor, the photo club has two members here tonight to step into Harold's shoes. Big shoes to fill, I'm sure. And Suzanne has kindly come along to show them the ropes here. So when you're back having your picture taken, take a moment to say thank you to Suzanne, and we do appreciate what you have done for hospice here with your kind donations.